Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will see what are the important topics for PL300 exam, that is Microsoft Certified Data Analyst exam. So first we see overview. The key areas are data preparation, modeling, visualization, analysis, and deployment. They have divided the exam in four parts: prepare data, model data, visualize and analyze data, and then deployment and maintenance. In the in last module, which is deployment, it is very short and you will get more question from that. Then preparing data for analysis, that is first chapter of the syllabus. In this you need to learn how to connect Power BI desktop to many data sources, for example SQL, Excel, web APIs. Then you need to learn import, clean and transform data, and in transformation you will do all the things in Power Query like filter, remove, duplicates, merge data, and data reshaping like pivot and pivot, grouping, splitting columns. And also data profiling is very important from this chapter. Then comes data modeling. In this, you need to learn how to manage relationship. Uh, Mainly questions come from two, one to many and many to one. Many to many is very rare. Then you should learn star schema and also DAX formulas. Many questions come from time intelligence function. So after that, you need to learn optimize the data model. Then comes visualization. This you should learn all the visualization which is provided by the Power BI. With that, you need to also learn KPI visual very well and also waterfall, and there is ribbon chart also. Apart from that, you need to learn some specialized visual, which is like um, tree map and also key influencer. You will get answer questions from that. Then analyzing data with Power BI. In this, important topics are like what if analysis, quick insights, and AI visuals, which I just discussed, like quick insight, decomposition tree, and key influences. From these three, definitely you will get one question. Then deploying and maintenance. In this, you need to learn how to share and collaborate with teams, with people. Power BI service feature, how to create dashboard from report. Then RLS, it is again very important. Then monitoring and performance. Here are some exam preparation tips. You need to do in the Power BI desktop whatever you learn, because without doing, for example, suppose you have learned about KPIs, but you have not really practiced. They will ask what are the parameters of KPI we take when designing KPIs. So you need to do hands-on practice on everything. Then Microsoft Learning Path, which I will give in the description. That is the official uh, documentation, or we can say for the exam. So key tools we need for the for this exam: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Services. These are the main two. DAX Studio you can get in Power BI, and Power Query, and this will also you will be able to use in Power BI, and Power BI community and forums for your questions answer you can get from here. Any question if you have and you are preparing, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to reply all the. I just clear before some days. So you can also see description for live Power BI training. And in upcoming video, I will uh, cover almost 100 practice questions PL300 exam. Thank you so much for joining me.